Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make this metahuman into a AI character. So the metahuman can speak, the metahuman can follow us, the metahuman can be our assistant or anything you like inside your game, guys. So it's very powerful and very expandable, guys. So I've already created a video how to make this metahuman. Actually, that's in Tamil language. So if you are watching in English language, so you may try some other videos. So just a few steps. Let's get into this video, guys. So first step, we need to go to our Epic Games launcher and go to Marketplace. You need to search for product called Conway. It's the AI. Yes. AI for NPC, etc. With intelligence, this converse naturally with players via text, con carry out actions, enemy, etc. So you can click add to cart and purchase the product. It's completely free. So then close the window and go to the window bar here for edit bar and go to plugins. You can search for Conway. And yes, you need to plug in tick this plugin. So let's restart now. So save selected and okay, let's go to Chrome and search for go to Conway. Click enter Conway. Let's go. And in here you need to log in first. Okay, as you can see, I am logged in successfully. Actually, I have already created a character called Jarvis. So actually, you don't have this one. So let's go to create character and you can select your character's name. Okay, let's say April and the character's voice. You can select any voice you want, guys. Okay.
In 3 words, I can sum up everything.
Great men are not born great, they grow.
Great men are not born great, they grow great.
Okay, let's take this Sarah character and you can also create a background story, solving puzzle passion for okay, that's good. Okay, and go to actions. You can select a reaction you want, guys. Let's talk, crouch, talk, sleep. Okay, that's it. Select language. Let's go for English and the voice is correct. Configure character. You can also configure character, guys. You can put any dress you want. You can change the character's appearance. So let's go for random avatar. Okay, that's good. So let's create some outfits.
தூக்குதா
Okay, next. Okay, our character is now appearing right side. Okay, now let's select the create character and our character creation is on progress. And yeah, there we go. We have successfully created a character here. You can also allow your microphone access in order to give a voice command to your AI. But I'm not going to do that because we'll give voice command inside our Unreal. So let's say hello.
Hello. How can I assist you today?
Okay, you can also see his personality. Sci-fi geek. Okay, let's go sci-fi geek. Catchphrases. Can also give personality trait. You can play around with this one. Memory, actions, settings, and configure avatar finally. So you can play around with these options as you like, guys. So now let's also click the update. So after completing your character, you can click here the API key and copy the API key. Go to your Unreal Engine project which you have just now created and which I have also implemented this one called Natalia. Okay, go to go to Windows, edit, go to plugins. Okay, Conway is already turned on and go to project settings and down below you can see the Conway in the plugins and place the API key here and okay, so close this one and now you need to just go to this Natalia BP and click on the class settings and you can see the parent class is actor. So click on that and go Conway It's the convey based character actually. So click on this and wait until this one changes. Yeah, yep, okay. And also we need to go to our first person blueprints. If you have third person, you can also go to third person, first person BP. And inside this again class settings, go to this parent class and go convey base player. Okay, and then go to Natalia again, go to the body and go to the anim classes, select the anim class as convey body anim. It's taking some time to update. Okay, now it's updated. And go to the face and also give a convey face animation for this one. Convey face animation, yes. Okay, let's compile and save this one. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, you can see the Natalia AI is surrounded by some sphere, and you can see let's scroll down here. It's asking a character ID. So to obtain the character ID, go back to your convey, and here in the character description you can see the character ID. Just click on the copy and paste it right here. Okay, now let's see this plan button, and yep, you can see this AI is standing here. Okay, let's also take the gun. No. Okay. Here it says hold T to speak. So let's go closer. Hey, what's your name? You can see it's updating dynamically. Okay, the AI is thinking.
Greetings, fellow adventurer. My name is April, the puzzle-solving extraordinaire.
Nice.
Oh,
How can I
wow.
assist you on this thrilling journey?
Hey, April, you look gorgeous.
Oh, thank you for the kind words. I may not have a physical form, but I appreciate the compliment
She
nonetheless.
fell in the trap, guys.
Let's dive into some mind-bending puzzles together, shall we?
Okay, if you follow me.
Absolutely, let's navigate this labyrinth of mystery together. Warp speed ahead.
Okay. Actually, she can't follow us because there is no path for her. Let's create a path for her to follow. Now go back like this one. Okay. Now click on this icon and let's say volume. Now mesh bounce volume actually. Okay. So let's place this on the center of the map and expand this. Let's say 25. Okay. Now if you click on P, you can see the now mesh bounds. You can see where the AI can walk through this green area, or the areas that the AI can walk through. Okay, let's also press P again. Let's close this up. Okay, now let's save this file and run. Hey April, follow me. The AI's head
Affirmative.
is moving.
Let's
guys.
navigate this terrain like a rover on Mars.
You can see the AI is now following me. Actually, the bar is so funny, guys. Hey, move! Okay. See, the AI is following. She can also climb through this. Yep. Yeah. She can't jump, so she'll be taking the path. Okay. Hey, April. Bring me something to drink.
Sure thing. I'll fetch a refreshment like it's an elixir from a replicator.
Okay, go. Hey, where is my elixir? Go and fetch one.
Apologies, but I'm not capable of fetching physical objects. However, I can assist you in finding information or providing virtual resources.
She's a liar, bro. Okay. This is how you need to implement AI in your games, guys. See how cool this AI feature is. Actually, it's something like laggy feel, but actually mine is 3080 and still I'm getting some lags. So okay, but yeah, these metahumans are still under construction, so you'll experience some lag and they'll be optimized later. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next video. Have a great day guys. Tata, bye bye.